Excuse me, where's the bakery?
It's on Apple Street next to the chemist's. Excuse me, where's the chemist's?
It's on Apple Street, next to the bakery.
Excuse me, where's the florist's?
It's on Apple Street, behind the sports shop. Excuse me, where's the sports shop?
It's on Apple Street between the florist's and the opticians.
Excuse me, where is the opticians?
It's on Milton Street, in front of the sports shop.
Excuse me, where's the post office?
It's on Apple Street next to the bank. Excuse me, where's the bookshop?
It's on Park Street, opposite the newsagents.
Excuse me, where's the bank?
It's on Harper Street opposite the jewellers.
Excuse me, where is the newsagents?
It's on Apple Street, behind the music shop. Excuse me, where's the jewellers?
It's on Apple Street next to the clothes shop.
Excuse me, where is the music shop?
It's on Apple Street between the supermarket and the newsagents.
Excuse me, where is the clothes shop?
It's on Apple Street, next to the jewellers.
Excuse me, where's the supermarket?
It's on Apple Street, in front of the music shop.